It's great to be here. Over 160 years ago, Niagara University was founded on the Vincentian tradition, which teaches service to the poor, the sick, and the marginalized. We have witnessed the good work of Niagara students and leaders do in our community as we have worked alongside the university on projects and programs in the city of Niagara Falls. Today, the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus was established to create a synergy between education, research, business, and medical institutions of excellence. Today, we are announcing federal funding that will build on the groundbreaking work taking place at the medical campus and create new opportunities for Niagara University students. This year, we secured $750,000 in the federal budget to support the development of the new Niagara University Research Lab right here at the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus.
This laboratory represents an extension, an expansion, and a deepening of the incredible work that goes on each and every day in the B. Thomas Golisano Center for Integrated Science and the Buffalo Medical Corridor now. Each day in that building on our Lewiston campus, the scientific miracle of intellectual curiosity, of research, of teaching, of mentoring, of development, advances each and every day. There is incredible work that goes on in that building by our faculty, our academic leadership, and our students.
On behalf of the medical campus, we're pleased to have the university here on the campus return to its original home. I was actually not aware that Buffalo was the original home. There's a lot of connectivity. We always preach connectivity and we preach collaboration. And as you've heard, there's a lot of connectivity and collaboration opportunities between the university and the medical campus.
First, I would like to thank Congressman Higgins for his support of the establishment of this vitally important laboratory that will link the research carried out in the Golisano Center for Integrated Sciences on the Niagara campus with the resources and facilities available in the Buffalo Niagara Medical Corridor. The research that we are working on is based on a technology for a drug delivery system that was created, designed, and developed in our laboratory on the Niagara University campus. This drug delivery technology is called a cholestosome, and it has unexpected and powerful properties for delivery. One of our areas of research using this technology is to work on the problem of lead poisoning. Lead poisoning of children has been declared by the World Health Organization and the UN to be the greatest health threat to our children worldwide, including in the US. No amount of lead is acceptable for health, and yet there is no therapeutic to treat lead poisoning. The consequences of lead poisoning are far-reaching. What we have been working on in our laboratory is the development of a therapeutic which will remove the lead from cells. We have shown that the cholestosome technology can be used to deliver an agent that removes lead from neural cells or brain cells. The technology allows the therapeutic to be delivered inside the cells, bind to the lead, and reduce the lead in those cells. This is a first of its kind, and it could be made to be oral.
When I came to Niagara and I heard that you can do undergrad research, it was a big part of what I looked into. And so immediately I heard about the cholestosome technology, and I looked into it, and I read articles, and I thought that it was amazing, honestly. And so I talked to Dr. McCourt and Dr. Malnicki, and I started last March, and I've only been in the lab for a year, but the skills that I've gained from it are incredible, both in science and outside of it. And I just wanted to say thank you again, Dr. McCourt. You're a huge mentor for me in everything that I do. So thank you for your time.